funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany. If you don't know, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you've already been to my channel, welcome back. Thanks for coming, and go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button if you like what you see. Comment below, share my video, you know, the whole nine. Just go ahead and hook your girl up. Come on. So today what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do a DIY on the dresser for the boys. I'm doing a room makeover for them. It's a mini room makeover because I can't paint the walls. We're renting. So today pretty much the kids are still in North Carolina. They will be back next Thursday. And I'm going to go ahead and do a mini room makeover for them for their back to school and just give them a little surprise for when they come back home. So I'm so excited because I know they're going to be happy. We're going to go ahead and DIY the dresser. We're going to be changing the dresser from brown to white. And we're just going to use some TSP to clean it. And we're going to sand it a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and paint it on a spray painter. So I'm really excited to use that because it's going to cut the time in half. And your girl needs that because I got a lot of things going on, people. But yeah, come on, let's go ahead and talk today. Go ahead, it's off. I know I'm supposed to talk. Okay, so here's a quick view of the boys' room. Don't judge how it looks. I already started throwing stuff everywhere and already started throwing clothes everywhere, but this is pretty much how it looks. This is what I'm going to be painting white. A little old thing. So pretty much everything is coming out except for that desk. And that's it. Everything is coming out except for that desk and this that I'm painting white. And that's pretty much it. Everything else will be new. For Jai and Chandler room, it's gonna be a little bit more drastic of a change because like I told you, pretty much everything is coming out. So they're now gonna have the bunk bed with the futon chair at the bottom. And get them some curtains, get them a nice rug, and move the desk over there and hang up 2 shelves above their desk. And then they broke this by jumping on it, so I'm gonna hang up some shelves here for the TV to sit on, and so it won't be so low to the ground. And gonna paint that white and some artwork as well. So that'll be it for their little mini room makeovers. So y'all just gotta stay tuned to see what it looks like. Okay, this is Jalen's room. So his room is a little bit cleaner. Haven't started nothing in here. Just a basic little old room. Jalen's. So what we're gonna do in Jalen's room is his floor plan is pretty much gonna stay the same how it is, but I'm gonna hang 2 shelves above the desk. Gonna put up some curtains. Gonna hang 2 shelves over here. Gonna put give him a hanging pendant light for a side light, and I got something new for this area, but I don't know, I'm probably gonna paint that white as well. Not quite sure yet because what I have for this area might not fit, so I might just have to put this back here, so it's gonna have to be painted white. And gonna get him gonna get him a rug to put out on the floor and some wall art. Here are the supplies that I will be using to upcycle the dresser and entertainment unit. Paint sprayer, paint, bucket, TSP, gloves, and an electric sander.
You're full of confidence and cheap color. You're showing off your moves and hope for
Y'all, look at my face. It's like drenched. And I haven't even started yet. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's so hot. But it's okay. We're gonna make it do what it do, okay? We're gonna get this done and ain't no complaint. Just gonna do it. But I am hot, okay? And it's like a bunch of wasps out here. And if you watch my last vlog or a couple whatever, you know I don't do bugs. Like the face just got real. I'm nervous now. So I got my water with the TSP. I got a brush. And I got some gloves, and I'm just gonna start scrubbing. Scrub it up dub. Here I'm going to start scrubbing the drawers with the TSP and the water mix to get rid of any grease or residue. I'll then take a clean dry towel and wipe it down. Next, I'm going to give it a good sand so the paint can adhere as well as for a smooth surface. Okay, I'm now hot and sweaty. I'm leaving that stuff just how it is, but I gotta run to go get some more sandpaper because I'm out. Per usual, something has to happen. You know, I can't just be great. I just can't. Okay, now I'm back at the house. I'm going to go ahead and finish sanding the dresser. Here I'm going to use a vacuum to get all the dust out of the cracks. The paint won't adhere well if there is dust. I'm using this diamond paint by PPG in a white satin. It's a durable and scrubbable paint, which is ideal being that it's going in the boys' room. Okay, so I got everything sanded down. That took some time. And let me tell you, it's hot as crap. Well, it's cooled down a lot now, but I was sweating balls out here. Everything is sanded. Nice and smooth. I'm getting ready to start painting with the paint gun. I'm excited about this paint gun. Here we go. Paint gun. Oh, that's loud.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up, turn it up.
Okay, so here's a beginning look at the entertainment unit. They have really put a beating to this thing. But we're pretty much going to go ahead and do all the same steps to this unit that we did with the first one.
Break it down like this.
You better grab that like tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene.
Alright, so here's a look at the entertainment unit in a raw state when it's all sanded down, vacuumed, and ready to be painted. With the paint sprayer, you have to go at a slow, steady, even pace. You can't sway your arm back and forth, so my arm was so freaking tired. It was about to fall off, but I'm a determined person, so I was like, I'm going to push through this and I'm going to get it done, because once I start something, like, I have to finish it. So that's pretty much what I did. I just pushed through it all. So this is some black paint that I had left over from my garage renovation and a foam brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and paint the knobs black. Alright y'all, this is the final view of the entertainment system. It came out so good. Look at it. Just take a look. All nice and smooth. And instead of having it all just whitewashed out, I had some black paint left over. So I went ahead and painted the knobs black. I like it. It has juxtaposition, a nice contrast against the white. Makes it look really good. It gives it some character. Adds a little you know, but I love it. It looks so much better now. Alright, so Jalen's room is empty. I've already gotten everything out of here. I'm putting his other mattress already though, and I'm gonna scrub the walls. Like, there's little spots. Scrub the walls, scrub the baseboards, clean the carpet and all that stuff, and then I will move everything in. It's gonna look so good. Good morning y'all. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with the cleaning of Jalen's room. I didn't get to that yesterday, so today I'm gonna go ahead and clean up and get this makeover started. However, I am highly upset with freaking Amazon because I paid for the Prime, you know what I'm saying? So I expect to get the Prime stuff. I expect to get my stuff here on time. 2 days max. So Jalen and Chandler dresser was supposed to get here Wednesday. It's Sunday and it's still not here. So I'm like really pissed. I had to call people and I was just so pissed off. Like, because like whenever you pay for something and when something says guaranteed delivery by the 26th is what it said, then you expect it to be delivered guaranteed by the 26th. So when that does, I gave it 2 days. I was like, well maybe since it's so big it's gonna take a little bit longer. So I gave it 2 extra days. I gave it until 3 actually, because I gave it until Saturday. I gave it until Saturday before I called. And they were trying to tell me my package was missing, and then they were trying to tell me they never had it. I'm just like, this is ridiculous. Y'all need to figure this out and get it together, because I'm an upset customer now. So long story short, they're talking about, well, we have to give it until the 31st because on Wednesday somehow my delivery date just magically changed from the guaranteed to the 26th to 26th to the 31st. So now they say I have to wait until the 31st before anything can be done, which is Tuesday. The kids get here Thursday, people. I'm running out of time. What's gonna happen? Anyways, let's just work on Jalen's room for now, and we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. The blinds are super dusty, and they just got I don't know what's wrong with my throat this morning. Probably because I just woke up. But the blinds are super dusty and crusty, so I'm about to clean these off. I'm gonna start with the blinds. Okay, so I finished cleaning all the walls and wiping down the baseboards. I don't know if y'all can tell, but everything looks so much cleaner. And I've got the big pieces back in. That's new, so that's in here now. That looks so much better. Yes, it just looks so clean now. So this is where the fun part begins, where I get to start putting everything in the room and making it look nice and friendly, you know what I'm saying? So I'm excited. This is the fun part. All the hard part where I had to sweat my life away, that's all done. So it's time to get started. I'm going to start with the curtain rod first. These are the supplies to hang the curtain rod: pencil, drill, drill bit, Phillips bit.
We the best music, DJ Khaled.
I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked.
Quick intermission. The curtain rod is not long enough for my liking. It fits, but each ball like stops right there, and the other one stops like right there. But I want them to go all the way like almost to the end of the wall. So I'm gonna have to go run and get another curtain rod. Okay, so I was supposed to go in there just to exchange my curtain rod. That never happens for me. And I done brought pillows, but I did need to get these baskets right here. These will be for Chandler and Job Room. And then I got Shaylin's too. And I got him black to go with the knobs that I painted black. So that's exciting. So now I gotta head somewhere else to get a curtain rod because they didn't have one long enough up in here. So that will wrap up this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss out on my next video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Three, open!
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.